Yo, what's going on, guys? Good morning, Grand Rising, Get Money. Nico, you are correct, brother. We're going to be starting in the next 3 minutes, setting some things up. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Good morning. So, we have 24 viewers on the live stream already, and we are currently experiencing unemployment claims today. We have a lot of high impact red news going on. Before we even look into the charts, let's first look at the fundamentals first, see what's going on with the fundamental analysis or with the news. 8:30 a.m. We have core retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Index, retail sales, and the most important one is this one, which is unemployment claims. I believe it impacted the dollar negative, and that's why we currently have a bullish gold. We did push up on gold. Now, I do not believe that's going to be the real move. I do believe that's simply just some manipulation to more than likely probably push down. I don't think we're going to have a bullish gold today. As you guys can see here on the 1 hour time frame, it just left a huge wick. But with the DXY, it's actually breaking beneath this support level. So you know what? It actually might be a bullish gold. But we gotta find our entry first. We can't just enter on buys just because. This candle definitely has to close below that support for the DXY. Now the DXY does look bearish because it did close below these lows here, but it might target this level down here, which is a very important target level for the DXY. It's basically, that's what it's trying to do. This same level down here on the DXY is equivalent to this level up here on gold, which is the 2005 area that I believe Nico was talking about. So great analysis because you did catch that. Reason why is because it's been previous lows here in the past. We go into the 4 hour time frame. It's also been a very strong resistance in the past as well. 2-point confluences, 2-point market has respected twice in the past, making it the strongest key level that we have towards the left hand side, and it's a major key level on the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. Meaning, if we can catch a breakout closure above 2005, 2006, we're more likely to be going for buys here. Then we can target multiple key levels that we have here, like for example 2011, 2015. We have multiple target zones up here, and they're pretty wide from our entry, right? If we do decide to enter at 2005, 2006, 2011 being one of the target zones, that's about a 50, 60 plus pip move. We could potentially catch more than 100 pips today if we can catch, a good successful trade. So, the market could fly right now where it's at. I don't care, we could still catch a really good big move if we get the breakout from 2006. 2006, 2011 is about a 50 plus pip move. There's no rush. All we got to do is have patience. Let it be inside this range. It's just trying to get, trying to manipulate some orders right now, fake out some traders. As long as it's in between where it's at right now, we honestly do not know where the market's going to head unless we get a breakout off of one of my key levels. And the support key level that I would want to catch some trades off of if we go into the 1 hour time frame would be this one right here. Why? Because it was the previous resistance. I could have sent this trade out last night during London. I just wasn't up. But we did catch a very nice breakout above this area, above 1996, and we pushed all the way to 2004. That would have been a beautiful trade if if I would have sent out that signal. And we also got the SMA crossover. But now instead, we're playing inside this current range. My selling opportunity or my selling position would actually be below this resistance if we go back into the previous range. Also, if we break below this resistance, it will become well, below the support, it'll become a newfound resistance, and we'll also have a moving average crossover. So, you know, more than likely it would be a very nice sell opportunity. And then we also have multiple target zones down here as well, like 1990, from 1995 to 1990, another 50 plus pip move. And we have this one down here, like 1987. So, you know, regardless where the market heads today, you know, we'll be able to capitalize and make money. We have 30 viewers on the live stream. Let's go, let's go. Good morning. A lot of clean range to the left. Exactly. When there's clean range, that means that the market has a lot of room to fly, you know, and to, you know, push for a lot of pips. For example, we do get a breakout here on 2005 or 2006. You know, we have a clean range, and our target zone, there's our nearest target zone, 2012. So we have a lot of room for the market to do whatever it wants, you know. So we gotta patiently just wait right now and see what the market ends up giving us. It's 8:38. We did the top down analysis pretty quick, 1 hour time frame on the DXY. Yep, you know, below this level we are good. I do believe it will target this low, this high right here, and you know, we'll see what it ends up doing. Bro's gonna destroy the US economy with his presence. Let's go. Nah, that's messed up, man. But hey, the DXY keeps pushing down and we enter on buys on gold. All we do is react, guys. You know, it's not my fault that the dollar's pushing down. I wish I can save it, but, you know, we're just traders. Let's dive into a smaller time frame, see what's going on so we can catch more data. 30-minute time frame looks pretty nice. You know what I'm scared of is it could have been a break and retest. This could have been a retest, and we could have potentially entered buys here, guys. But you know, we can just catch another opportunity. It doesn't matter. That was a very nice breakout above this range. We had two retests. We had a breakout, retest, push up, and then another retest with the news. Let's just wait, see what ends up happening. 5-minute time frame. Another retest. Let's see what ends up happening. Let's stick to the 15. We got a 15-minute candle closure in 5 minutes. Let me look at the daily real quick. Yeah, gold could push up today. But I mean, if it remains below 2005, you know, we're pretty much bearish on gold. Could do something like this. Tap into his area, have some rejections, and then push down to create new lows. And then ultimately target this area down here. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. If you look at it from the bigger time frames, you know, that's pretty much what I can see here going on. You know, we got the break, a huge breakout below these lows on gold, making it officially bearish territory for gold. Now today we're just having a retest or a pullback back to this level, which has been a very strong support and resistance level in the past on the daily time frame. And now we might see some rejections of this key level to continue pushing down. Let's see. See, that's another thing I don't want. You know, I don't want to enter buys here and get faked out terribly, you know, for the market to just push down. Because, like I said, you know, if the market expands in one direction, it does that for a reason, right? If the market decided to expand down, you know, it's not going to push back up you know, after it just did a huge breakout of these lows, which required a lot of liquidity for the market to do that. It's not just going to do that for no reason, right? So, you know, overall, we might just see a bearish move happening from the bigger time frames after, of course, retesting or, you know, rejecting this area multiple times to continue down. So let's see what ends up happening. I personally like the sells better, if I'm being honest with you guys, because the buys could be fake out buys here. It's also too far away from price. Looks too good to be true. The sells would look cleaner. And then also I'll have my confirmation of, you know, the market actually flipping bearish, because price would be below my SMAs. Let's see what ends up happening. In 2 minutes, we got 15-minute candle closure. We'll probably just get, you know, a BS closure right now where it's at right now, where we wouldn't be able to do anything. Would you take sells if it touches 2005 multiple times but doesn't break and close? Yeah, I'll just have to see, you know, do the correlation with the DXY as well. But yeah, if it does, you know, retest multiple times and, you know, form some type of consolidation around this area, then we can take a sell off of a minor level that'll create to continue its way down, and then it'll be a risky trade. Assuming the market does this, where it pushes up, touches this area, doesn't break it, forms a new candle, pushes down, forms a new candle, leaves some wicks here, and does something like this, you know, you can kind of see that there's a minor level forming around this area. Then we can take sells if we break these lows, these minor lows that it created, to continue its way down, because now we know that it didn't have enough strength to break that level, and this is going to keep pushing down. It was basically just a break and retest to continue pushing down from the bigger time frames. A break and retest off of this level. Breakout, retest to continue down. But of course, since we're seeing it from the smaller time frames, you know, we obviously have a lot more data, and it could look a little bit confusing for a lot of you guys, because that's not what you see on the smaller time frames. On the smaller time frames, you see the breakout off this range, but you don't see the breakout off of this huge range that we have on the daily. You get me? And remember what I always tell you guys, the bigger the time frame, the more secure those key levels are, the more valid those key levels are. So if in reality just the better key levels are these in the daily time frame, we're gonna more than likely go off of the daily time frame and not off of the 30-minute or 15. They just give us a higher probability of winning. If unemployment claims came in lower and then projected, shouldn't that push USD bullish and gold bearish? Yeah, in an inverse correlation, if you know, if it made the DXY bearish, then gold should be bullish, which is what's currently happening right now. Look how it pushed the market up. But we still need the technical analysis in our favor, right? That's just the fundamental. The fundamental analysis is just a small part in my trading strategy. It's not my whole strategy. We still need all of the other technicals that we use to, you know, come into our conclusion of our bias. $8.46, we got 15-minute closure. Very bullish closure. I wouldn't want to go into buys now, guys. It would be a terrible idea. I have a strong feeling that it's a fake out to push down. And I obviously don't, I don't have my confirmations to go into buys either. So there's no key level that it's broken. The last key level that it broke was down here at 1995. We're currently at 2002. We're 60 pips away from where our entry could have been, right? So there's literally no reason to enter, buys or sells. Instead, we're actually getting closer to this 2006 area. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, I'm back. Good morning. Just got back from dropping off my kids. Did I miss anything? No, you didn't. Nothing has happened yet. We have 43 viewers on the live stream. Let's go. Yeah, guys, the market is overall looks choppy today. If I don't send out a trade, it's because I couldn't find anything that was worth it. And remember, guys, it's always quality over quantity. I'd rather not send anything at all than send out a trade where you guys will lose and hit stop loss. It's always going to be quality over quantity. I'm here to win, and I'm here to win only. I'm not here to lose. But you also, of course, got to understand that losses are part of the game. Break previous viewers. No, we actually had 50. We had 53 yesterday. Every live stream that we do, we get more and more viewers, which is crazy. Then yesterday we also had a special guest. We had FX Daniel Savage on the stream. That's probably why the viewers got crazy up as well. I'd rather learn to be patient and disciplined. Exactly. That's all it is, bro. You gotta be patient. You gotta be disciplined. In yesterday's trade, for example, we were in the trade since like 8:40, and then our trade finally hit TP like 9:30, 9:40, an hour after, right? It's all about patience. We were literally in drawdown 15, 20 pips throughout the whole live stream yesterday, and we were just talking, right, throughout the whole live stream. And then finally, after an hour later, market just dumped and hit our TP for the sells. So of course you gotta have patience. Imagine if I would have been impatient and I would have closed in drawdown because it was taking too long or whatever, right? I would have lost. Instead, market hit my TP and I made 2%. Training while watching the stream. Amazing, brother. I've been waking up at 5 a.m. and I've been hitting the gym super early, like at 5:30, 6 a.m. and then I come home and I eat breakfast and then I get ready for the live stream. It's amazing, man. What it does to your mindset and your psychology. It's like I get more focused when I'm trading too. Yeah, we do look super bullish on gold right now. But again, it hasn't touched this level yet, which is the level that I'm kind of worried about. Six more and we get record viewers, guys. I had a year or two that I woke up at 4 to gym, and I agree, it clears your head. It makes the rest of the day kind of feel like a free day because you go through the hardest and mentally first. Exactly. Literally by 11 a.m., 12 p.m., I'm literally done with my day. I have absolutely nothing to do in the afternoon, so I just go over emails, messages, I start, messaging my editors for content, kind of start editing some videos, shoot some videos and reels throughout the day. I go out and eat, but I'm pretty much free after 12 p.m. Yo, FX Daniel Savage is on stream. You want to hop on again, bro? I can have you on again, bro. Let me know. Kev, is the 2008 level stronger than the 2005 level breakout? Depends. The bigger time frame level is always going to be stronger than the smaller time frame level. So if the 2008 level is the bigger time frame level, then 100% it is stronger. I'm starting Monday 6 a.m. after I'm done fasting. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna open up in the Discord we're gonna open up another channel for all of you guys that are into fitness as well, where I'm just gonna post every single morning the moment I wake up, 5 a.m. and you guys are allowed to post there as well. Like, you guys just post your alarm clock at 5 a.m. You guys can post it up. Hell yeah, your community is fire. Let's go, bro. I'll start up the Discord. Join it up, and you can hop on, brother. Real winners in here. Yes, sir. Daniel's another one that's been waking up super early to go out for a run, and I'm proud of him, bro. I'm proud of you. Let me start up the Discord, bro, and I'll have you in. I'll have you on. Also, if there's any of my VIP students that want to hop on the Discord, you guys are free to do it. All you gotta do is go to the live trading floor, and you're free to talk. Let's go. Give me 1 second. If you want to get access to the Discord is free, but if you want access to the VIP section of the Discord, you have to be a VIP student, which is $70 a month. There's a link in the description below where you'll have access to my VIP signal room, my VIP community, and then you'll also have access to the live trading floor where you'll be able to hop on stream with us, talk about trading, and you'll also be able to trade with me live. The Discord's free. There's a link on it in my free Telegram, I believe. Let me open up Discord and have these guys on. Alright, guys, I'm on the Discord. I'm in the VIP. Great, bro. I'll send you the link. I'll send the link to the VIP signal room in the Discord. We got somebody that joined up. If you're gonna be on the live trading floor, make sure to turn on your camera and introduce yourself to the stream. Go on my VIP signal room, and I sent out a link to the VIP access Discord through there, so you'll be able to access it through there if you're not in it already. And if you're not in it yet, I can manually add you. Remember, the Discord is new. It's only been a few days since I've had it, so I'm still transitioning over a few things. We're still gonna use the Telegram for the signals, but the Discord is just better for a community. I feel like it's a lot better to engage with my students. Man, gold is acting so weird today. Yo, Daniel, what's taking you so long, bro? And I don't know who this person is on the live trading floor. Bro, turn on your camera and unmute yourself. Shows me that the link expired. Text me privately, TP Kev, and I'll send you a new link. Do you send out signals or other sessions or just New York? I send out signals throughout the whole 24 hours of the day. I try to avoid Asia as much as possible, but if I do have confirmations, I'll send it out during Asia as well. But mostly during London and New York. If I'm up during London, I'll send it. If not, mostly just New York. Two minutes, we get the 1 hour candle closure, and we see what goes on from there. Oh, it's Adrian who's on the live trading floor. Bro, it says your camera is off and you're also muted, bro. It sucks how that's the only music I can play, because if not, I'll just get copyrighted from YouTube by YouTube, and then I can't post this live stream. I can't post a recording, so I can't really like put regular music. Yeah, guys, the market is so weird today. DXY did close below these highs. It's gonna drop a little bit more, and gold should push up a little bit more as well. Wouldn't go into a buy here because there's literally no entry. There's no key level that we've broken. This is very bullish. Okay, 5 minute kind of looks promising. Gold close to 2005 area. I don't know. It looks different. I'm not in a trade yet, guys. I'm just looking at some things. If we were to enter at 2004, put our stop at 2001, right? For about a 30 pip stop, and then 2007 for TP1. I don't like this setup. I feel like we can easily get stopped out here. I'm not in any trade yet, guys. I'm just, looking at some things. News came out, mixed data. Yep. Adrian, the Discord's glitching for you, bro. I can't hear you, or I can't see you either. I'm not in any trade yet, guys. Patience. Might not even send out anything, to be honest. We might get something during NYSC. Let's see. Oh, we got a soldier. You're muted, brother. We got the gold shooter in the live stream. Drop some W's in the chat for Adrian, for helping out our country. Drop some W's in the chat for him, for serving our country. Let me see if I can hear you, bro. Talk. Yeah, you're muted, bro. Big W in the chat. Let's go. Too bad the dollar is dropping, bro. Too bad the dollar is losing its value. Nah, I'm playing. A big W in the chat for him. Okay. Yeah, Adrian, nobody can hear you, bro. Yeah, bro, nobody can hear you. My audio is up. My computer audio is up, meaning I should be able, people should be able to hear you. We're starting to form a 5-minute range.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, now we hear you,
I
bro.
can hear you now. Okay, cool.
What's up, bro?
What's up? My bad. Yeah, I was having technical difficulties on my end too.
All good, bro. All good. You know, we still haven't been able to find a setup.
Yeah, I know. Hey, you want to know something? I'm not gonna lie. So I took a trade right for news, and I did end up making $500. But I was kind of like doing like something risky, right? So like,
Yeah.
I saw the unemployment claims, and then I saw that the number like was gonna come in lower, and I just had a strong feeling that it was gonna push up towards that zone. So I set a buy stop, and then I put a 30 pip TP, and I was like, yo, if this is gonna happen, it's gonna fly.
And it hit your TP?
It hit my TP. It hit my TP in like a second. Yeah. What's
Fire.
it called?
Where did you enter?
But to be, so here, watch, look. Let me pull it up. So I entered at exactly 2,000.
Okay, you gambled then.
Yeah. So it was like right before that huge, what do you call it? That huge candle, right?
Because think about it like
So
this. I wouldn't have been able to enter that trade because look, you know, if I would have followed my plan and probably would have entered on, say, like a breakout, my entry would have been here in 1998. But then look what happened right after, before news. It literally shot down to 1995, and I would have probably gotten stopped out if I had a tight stop loss, and then it pushed up. So you pretty much just gambled it.
I pretty much just gambled it. So like right exactly where you're at, that's where I saw like the resistance level, and I was like, all right, if I see unemployment claims and it's projected to be a little lower, I don't know. I just had a strong feeling, so that's why I put the psychological level of 2,000 buy stop, and I was like, if it pushes up there, it's gonna push up at least 30 pips.
Yeah.
And then I put it before I said it, and they just hit it in a second. But I did gamble. I'm not gonna lie, I gambled. I was
Yeah,
like,
yeah. You got lucky and it worked out for you, bro.
I got lucky. I got lucky.
Personally,
It
I
was
wouldn't
just
do that.
luck.
Personally, I
No,
wouldn't
no,
do that.
yeah,
And don't
I
make it a
wouldn't do
habit
it
either, you
either.
know. You got lucky, congrats, you know, you made a quick $500, but don't make that a habit because it could get addicting.
Yeah, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't stop doing that. I was just like, why do I got a feeling this is gonna happen? But yeah, I don't recommend it either, to be honest.
Yeah, yeah. Dofi said it pushed up first and then it shot down. Then yeah,
That's
you.
why, yeah, before I entered, I made sure I put that TP, and then, because I knew if it hit that TP, it was just gonna
I'm about to
just
go gambler mode too, bro. I'm looking at the 5 minute time frame, and we're forming this small, you know, very minor key level here that if it does get broken through, you know, it might target 1998, 1999 again, or that 2000 area again. Um,
Oh, okay, yeah, I
let's
see it.
see though. It's a very, very minor level. It's a 5 minute key level, which you know you shouldn't trust those at all.
Yeah.
But I'm probably just gonna risk like 0.5%. Like I'm not even gonna risk a percent.
Hmm.
Because you know it does look promising just on the small time frames.
Yeah, it's consolidating nicely.
Yep. On the 5 minute though, if you look at the 15, you can't even see a
Hmm.
consolidation. Not even on the
Hmm.
30. So it's more than likely
Yeah.
gonna be a really fake
Yeah.
out. It's gonna be like a very, very
Yeah.
bad fake out. I'm gonna enter a sell here, and then it's gonna flip bullish completely, probably.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking too, probably. But
But let's see. We still have like 20 minutes for NYC.
yeah, dude,
DXY is
today's
going
the
up again.
my bad. My bad.
Well, what's up? What's up?
I was just saying today's the first day I go back to work in a while because I took leave for like 10 days.
Okay. So you know, you said you're in the army. Like you have your whole outfit on. Are you like gonna clock in now and like go somewhere else, or like you or like you're staying in your hometown and stuff?
No, yeah, like so I start work at 9. So like in about 20 minutes, I'm gonna take off and I'm gonna go to like the base where I work at, and then
Okay.
I'm just gonna stay there until about like 4:30. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We're definitely forming some type of key level here, for sure. Look at that 5 minute closed, right there. Yeah, we're definitely trying to form something there. Five-minute seems like a range, but in temporal terms, 30 minutes not yet exactly. Remember what I said? The bigger time frame, the higher probabilities of you winning that trade. And in the 5 minute, it looks like a range, but it could definitely be a fake out. I might just enter though with like a very low risk, uh, just because I feel like pressing a button on my phone. I'm not gonna go on my funded account either. I'm not trying to breach any rules. I'm just gonna go on my on one of my personal accounts. Not yet though.
What rule would be breached on funded accounts? Because I'm still kind of trying to
If you're
familiarize
negative more
myself
than
a bit more. Oh
let's
yeah.
say yeah, if you're negative more than like 5% in a day, 10% in total.
Okay. Yeah, I do. That's
Yeah. Let me look at something real quick. Yeah, looks like it's gonna push down. DXY might push up and retest, and then gold might push down and retest. So again, it could happen. Again, it could also be a fake out. It's pretty much 50-50. Like it's literally a gamble right now. Do you know if Alpha Trader firm is C Trader compatible? Because I know MT5 is losing nice everywhere. So Alpha Trader, they're using a regulated broker, so they're not gonna be losing their license anytime soon. And when it comes to C Trader, I did talk to the owners of Alpha, and they do want to transition to a C Trader. So I'm not sure if they already have it available on their website, and if not, they are working towards it because they did tell me that they are looking to start trading on C Trader. You see, that's why I haven't gotten into a trade. Look, it's pretty much inside that small little range. Probably just gonna wait till 9:30 see what ends up happening. What's V3? What do you mean? I don't know what V3 is.
Yeah, what is that?
I'm personally gonna stay out of this trade and wait for the recess if it does. Yeah. If you're trading on a funded account, I recommend to not even trade right now. I'm probably just gonna call out a trade, and I'm gonna risk very very low on it, if of course I get my confirmations. If not, I might not even call out a trade today. The markets are very choppy, and this is the 5 minute time frame, so it's very very risky right now.
If it does break that support level, where's your target?
If it breaks that support, we can definitely target this one right here. 1998. From 2001 to 1998, we can at least catch 20 pips. But the problem would be like placing my stops. The stop loss would be an issue because my stop would more than likely be inside the range. And if it's a fake out, there's a very high probability for the market to come back up, stop you out, and then start playing out inside the range again.
When you stream on Streamlabs, what settings do you use to go live?
I don't stream on Streamlabs. I use OBS.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I've heard Streamlabs is better too.
Um, OBS is like the main bigger one that first started, and Streamlabs started after. But when I used to, so like, there's some good Streamlabs settings that you can set up to where like your delay is only like 1 or 2 seconds max.
Yeah. For
Um,
I did that. I did the same thing for OBS, where I think the delay is only like 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Yeah.
uh, yeah.
I had a friend that set it up for me. I'm very bad with technology, so
Oh, really? Yeah.
yeah.
If you ever need help, just let me know. I've been doing this for like a while, you know.
Gotcha, bro. Yeah. You're a gamer too, right?
Yeah, I used to be before I gave it up to make some money.
Yeah. So yeah, Discord is pretty famous. Like of course in the gaming community, Streamlabs too. There's a
Yeah.
lot of like gaming streamers. I used to play video games. Just like I would never do it as like a business. I would just do it for fun. Like I would be bored and I wouldn't have anything to do. I made money. I made to the gym. I went to the gym. I basically accomplished everything. And I would just be bored, so I would just hop on a game and that's it.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, every once in a while I'll still play again just because like some of my cousins will be like, get on. But I try not to because I did recognize it's one of my vices. And
Okay.
like once I start playing, I'm like, I just get addicted to it. And then I
Yeah.
just, it takes me off my path. So I
Okay.
try not to
Yeah, I would only do
really
it.
play as much.
Once you accomplish all of your goals for the day, like once you see that you literally accomplished everything and you have absolutely nothing to do, you can hop
Yeah.
on for a few hours. Why not? You know?
Yeah. Yeah. That's kind of like like I have to have a few wins, like but I try to limit it
Yeah.
still. I'm I've been like doing this heavy, like just because.
What
And
games do you used to play? Like what type of games do you like?
so I would play a lot of Call of Duty. I'm
Okay.
actually really, really good. Yeah, and then a lot of like basketball, a lot of sports, like
2K?
like FIFA, basketball. Yeah, like 2K and stuff like
Okay.
that. Yeah,
Nah,
yeah.
I'm
But
more of like
FIFA
a
too.
card guy. I used to love card. Like I would be like one of those guys that would grind for camels. Like I would do
Oh,
that,
nice.
and then recently I would play a lot of like racing games like Gran Turismo, because like
Oh, okay.
I literally have like the car that I have in person, I have it in the game. So like I would just
Yeah.
mod
Yeah.
it in the game to see how it would feel like when I'm driving it, because I have like the whole steering wheel and everything for the game. So I would like tune it up, mod it, customize it, wrap it in the game, and then I would kind of like imagine it of how it would look in person. You get me? And then like my a few of my dream cars, like I have it in the game, and then I just play it, and then I kind of get motivated too to have it in real life.
That's
FIFA, the
good.
most
Yeah, man.
stressful game. I've never played one of those FIFA games. I played 2K before, but I stopped playing after like 2K. I think it was 2K20 a while back. Um, yeah, it got super boring. And then those
That's
VCs, bro, it's addicting. It's like, bro, I'm buying money inside a game with real money. Like, bro, the risk to reward ain't it.
yeah. That's where I kind of like really took off was like in 2020. That's when like when during COVID.
And don't even talk
That's when
about
like I
GTA,
really
bro. Those
switched it.
shark cards, oh my god. Bro, I would spend like a
Shark
band a
cards,
week,
dude.
$1,000 a week on that game.
Yeah.
But I mean, I had everything in the
Dude,
game.
Dude, if you like GTA on the PC, they have something that's called 5M, which is like a mod of GTA, and it's sick. I had to stop playing that too, though. But yeah, man, that's dope that you got to realize exactly what you wanted, like in that vehicle. How you said, like you was driving it in Gran Turismo, and then now like you're driving it in real life. You
Yep.
know, that's dope.
Kev, what car do you want after the Corvette? It's actually my wallpaper. It's a McLaren. I'm gonna keep the Corvette as my daily, and I've been looking at the McLarens for some time. It's just every time I'm gonna buy it, they always have a week after a new one in the marketplace, and for a better price and with less miles. So I'm just like, damn, like I don't know if I should just wait. And then now, like I was gonna buy one last week, beautiful spec, super nice. But then a few days after, in the same dealership, a new McLaren, the same model came by, but it was tuned up and it had a custom exhaust and just sound and loud. It sounded like 5 times louder. So I'm like, damn, what if, yeah, I just don't know what to pick. But I'm gonna keep the Corvette as my daily. I'm probably gonna wrap it, and then I'm also gonna get the McLaren as well. Five is crazy fun time. 720 or 765? Probably a 720. No, not 765 yet. You're crazy. Kev lives the GTA life with his Corvette.
Yeah, you really do. Even me, like when I mean, I just drive a truck,
And I feel like
but
I'm too young for like a lot of you guys like the luxury cars, like the Maybachs, the Rolls Royces, the Bentleys. I feel like I'm too young for them. Like in my opinion, I honestly feel like those are old people cars. Like I don't know, I'm just too young. I'm 21 years old. Why would I be driving around in a Rolls? Really doesn't make sense. Yes, I can afford it, but I don't know. I just don't like it. It's a big boat with a luxury interior, in my opinion. Get the P1. You're crazy. The P1's like a $1 million car. I want a Corvette C8. That's currently my car. It's a great car. I haven't had any problems with it. In my opinion, it's the best car you can get under 6 figures. Either the
when did you
Corvette or
get
an
that?
M4.
When did you get that Corvette?
Got it like 6 months ago.
Oh,
Like
nice.
yeah, like 6 7 months ago. Huracans are nice too, or a Porsche. Porsche is my favorite brand. They're my favorite cars. My ultimate dream car is the GT3 RS. Yeah.
Bro, when I hop in my truck, I can literally like picture myself in freaking like supercar, like how you're driving, and it's just one of those things that keep me going
Yeah.
forward. You know what I mean? Like I'm like, oh, I'm in a truck, but in my head, I'm actually in a supercar,
You
and I'm
gotta
like, I'm
envision it
like,
before you have it, bro. Before I had my Corvettes,
exactly.
I would hang out with like some friends that were already traders or that, had their own businesses that had supercars. They would let me take their car for a spin and I would, drive their car to, see how it felt already. The same thing that I did with the video game Gran Turismo. Like I would drive those cars in the video game and like in my head, like it wasn't a video game. Like that was me in real life, you get me? So you gotta make it like a feeling where you kind of trick your mindset thinking that you already have it. That's how you achieve your
Yeah.
goals faster. The same thing, like let's say you want to get ripped, right? You want to get shredded. You can't see yourself as as you're currently now. If you're fat or whatever, you shouldn't see yourself fat because you're basically just telling your mind that you're fat. You got to tell your mind, oh, I'm shredded, I'm ripped. And then obviously, you can manifest all you want, but you also got to put in the work ethic. You got to put in that work.
Yeah. Yo, speak about fitness, man, bro. You got a sleeper build. Cause when I first saw you, I didn't think I was like, oh, okay, this guy's pretty fit, whatever. But then you started posting Instagram reels, and then like you were like curling, and I was like, God damn, what the fuck? I didn't know this dude had was jacked, like, cause all I could see was like your from your head up, you know what I mean? But then like when you started posting like fitness stuff, I was like, damn, this dude's like legit, like he lives that lifestyle, like he's that guy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I've been working out since I was 14 years old. The only problem so far has been my diet. I love food,
Your diet.
but working out is not
Uh,
hard for me. LT forever. I'm too broke for all of this. Change your mindset, man. When I was broke and I didn't have a single dollar in my bank account, I didn't think like if I was broke. I was already thinking like if I was a multimillionaire. You gotta change your mindset, bro. F80 is my absolute dream. F80s are really good drift cars. The key is to get mentalized first before you materialize. Exactly. I'm out of here. Yo, Kev, send signals in the VIP signals if you see one. Yes, sir. I got you, bro. Peace, guys. I had an M34i stage 2. Oh, you're a car guy. But I wrecked it. Oh, damn. During the rain. What do you think about the McLaren Artura? I don't like it. I think the Artura is a V6 and it's also a hybrid. It sucks. That's why I don't like JDM cars either. I don't like V6s.
what are you rocking, like V12s?
I mean, the Vet's a V8. The McLaren's a V8. It's just it's twin turbo. And then Lambos are like V10s.
Um,
The same thing happened to me. I have seen all of Kevin's videos, and there is a video that he inspired 2 people a day, and it definitely fulfilling it. Yes, sir. Yo, I want a G80, but the M4 is nicer. I love my community. Like you guys like everything I like. You guys like working out. You guys like cars. You guys like making money and trading. It's fire. I love it. I want a G80, but the M4 is a nicer F82. That's what I thought first. I used to think the G80 was ugly because it had that big front, that face. But trust me, the interior and everything is way nicer than the F82. Mindset is everything. So cliche, but so true. Imposter syndrome is real. Need to overcome. Yeah, I mean, it's okay to lie to yourself and say that you're a multimillionaire, but you gotta, work, you gotta put in that work towards it. Because if you just lie to yourself, saying that you're a multimillionaire, but you're doing the same old things that, never got you those results, if you're waking up late to you're waking up like at 1 p.m., you're not putting in those type of work, you're not working out, you're not doing activities that are gonna bring you income, and you're telling yourself that you're a multimillionaire, then you're really just lying to yourself, right? But if you're actually, trying and putting in that work towards your goals, it's okay to tell yourself that you're a multimillionaire because you might not be it now, but in the future you will if you keep on with those positive habits. You get me? Every successful person that I've met thinks that way. There's not a single successful person that I've met that doesn't think that way. So, that's a common trait that a lot of multimillionaires have, which anybody can adapt because everybody has a brain and anybody could think whatever they want to think, right? So start by changing the way you think. and then obviously everything else will change after. Damn, I'm getting so motivational right now.
Hand him a mic. No, but it is facts. It is facts, Monsieur.
No, yeah, it's 100% facts.
You gotta be able to manifest what you want, and if you're not that person that you want to be now, just keep telling yourself that that's what you're gonna be. You know, and then you eventually, if you keep working at it and you put that actual like hard work, you're gonna achieve it. Hey, quick question.
What's that?
In trading view, do you like, you know how like it tells you in trading view what the bias is of other people that are buying or selling? It has that meter. Do you ever like implement that or
That's
use
the
that
that's the
as
order book. You're talking about the order book. So it's not a bias. It's literally just an order book. It's literally all the orders that are going into the market, buys and sells. It could help out. There is a setup that I use for that when I'm trading indices. But for gold, I don't really use it. I feel like it's a big distraction because I honestly don't care and I don't want to see what other traders are doing. At the end of the day, 90% of traders are losing. So why would I want to see what 90% of the losers are doing? You got me?
that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense.
G82 is fire, but I like the big booty of the M3s. Interior of a G series is much nicer than an F, but I'm coming for a E36. Let's go, man. You can do it with my signals. C63 is my goal by the end of 2024. C63S is super nice. It sounds really nice. I had a friend that had the AMG GT, which is the two-door, and they're sleepers. Like, I didn't know AMGs sounded like that. I saw there were two VIP zones on the WAP with different prices. Is there a difference? Yeah, there's the monthly one is 70 a month, and then if you want lifetime access, it's 500. If you pay 500, you don't have to pay 70 a month. You're in there for life. But both will give you access to the same thing. It's like the book, The Secret, Law of Attraction. That's why we're all here. We're going to make it, guys. Yes, ma'am. That's a great book. I also saw the movie. Is buys above 2005 valid? I'd say 2006. Yeah, it would be valid, of course, since that is still key level. My dream car is an RS6. Not a big Audi fan, to be honest. I prefer an
What do you
R8.
think?
I prefer an R8.
What do you think on the level now, um, on the 15-minute time frame?
Yeah, it looks promising. If we were to enter at 2004, then by the time it reaches 2006, then we can already we'll be pretty much hitting 20 pips of profit. But then again, look how weird the market's moving. It's creating little mini breakouts, but it just pushes back down. Like, I don't know. It's 9:30 NYC open. You guys want to enter on the flip? I think I'll be entering, guys. 1 second.
What are you entering?
Buys. Yeah, 2004, guys. Enter the buys. Oh my god, we're flying. Boom, I'm up $690. 2004 is our entry. Stops at 2002, 20 pip stops. 2006 could be our TP1. Let's do it. Let me send out the signal real quick. Yeah, I like this trade, guys. And TP is about to get hit. Let's go. Boom. Up 1,000.
Smashed it.
Close the trade.
Good stuff, Kev.
Let's go, guys. Beautiful trade setup.
Dude, look at this flying.
Quick $1,000 right there. Let me know if you guys caught that W. Let's go. Damn, didn't even have time to send out the
So
signal. It just flew.
it's
Moves out to
continuing to
break even,
fly.
guys. TP was hit, and we're flying. TP2 would be 2008 for 40 pips. Wow, guys. Beautiful trade. Drop some W's if you caught it. Yeah, it flew. Big
So
W's.
in
Let's
this
go.
so in this instance, let's say that 15-minute candle closes above 2006. What are you
Uh,
thinking?
I mean, I already got into the trade. I would
Yeah.
depends. If we close around 2006, then yeah. But if we close right now where we're at, we're too high up. I love scalping though. You guys saw that? Like in 5 seconds, I got in and out of the trade. Quick $1,000 right there. Yo, it's still insane to me. I used to work like 2 weeks for $1,000, and I just made $1,000 in like 3 seconds. It's just crazy. Didn't get a chance. Bro, I was like a few seconds behind the live and missed it. Can I still enter? He left faster than my ex. Damn. I feel bad for you.
All right, man. I'm gonna have to hop off the Discord. I gotta start heading to work. But hey,
All right,
man,
brother.
freaking good trading day today, man. Like you made it like that. That's what I'm saying.
Hey,
Hey, if you guys are watching, I'm telling you, consider that 1v1 because this man's the truth.
we catch W's every single morning, guys. We're one on the live
It's like
stream.
every morning.
It's like we don't lose,
Every
bro. Like
morning,
I'm
man.
serious. Like we don't lose.
Yeah. But all right, Kev, have a good one.
All right, man.
Chat and stream, all supporters. See you guys. I'll be in tomorrow's live stream in the comments.
Thanks for hopping on,
You guys
brother.
yeah, man. Thanks for having me, bro. I really do appreciate it, man.
For sure, bro. Bye.
Thanks.
All right. We have 38 viewers in the live stream. Is it risky if I enter? I mean, it's too late already. We're up 30 plus pips in profit. Why would you enter while we're 30 plus pips in profit? Quick $150, man. Thank you. See y'all tomorrow. Let's go, guys. And if you guys want to hop on, just like Adrian hopped on the Discord and talk to me and talk to the community, you guys are free. That's what the VIP gives you access to. That's what the VIP signals give you access. So it's not just paying $70 a month for signals, but it also gives you access to the live trading floor where you can hop on and trade live with us. There's also no delay on the live trading floor, so if I call out a trade, you'll be able to enter at the same exact time that I'm entering. So we're flying with gold. Quick 850 euros. Let's go. TP2 got smashed, guys. 40 plus pips secured. TP3 would be 2010, which would be another 20 pips. But we did smash TP2 for 40 plus pips in profit. Phenomenal stream, guys. Super quick trade. And I'll be ending the live stream now, guys. We won. Super successful morning. For those of you guys that are new, my live stream schedule is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, where I live trade gold every single morning, and we win every single morning, guys. And if you guys want access to my VIP signals, where I send out about 2 to 3 trades a day, we're currently in a 19-week winning streak. Check it out in the description below. It's on the WAP website, Take Profit Academy, and then you're gonna click on the monthly package or the lifetime package, where you'll be able to have access to my signal room, and then you'll also have access to the live trading floor as well, where we can hop on and talk. That entry was way too elegant. Let's go. But yeah, guys, I appreciate all you guys, and I'll see you guys again next week.